The Nebo settlement is a form-based mixed-use community planned for the rural town of Allendale, South Carolina. The settlement is located along Highway 17 between Charleston and Myrtle Beach and is planned as one of a series of nodes that comprise the town of Allendale. The Nebo settlement was designed through a public process using public workshops and visual preference surveys to guide its design. The Smart Code was used as a framework for transforming the vision of Nebo into a flexible and predictable code to guide the settlement as it grows. The Nebo Smart Code was calibrated to produce a community that is rural in nature, fitting in smoothly with Allendale's character. To achieve this rural form, designers looked for inspiration and precedent in Allendale, as well as the towns of McClellanville, Beaufort, and Georgetown. The Nebo settlement is roughly 360 acres, surrounded by protected natural areas and adjacent to the existing Mount Nebo AME Church. Using 5-minute walk pedestrian sheds, 2 compact and walkable neighborhoods are planned for the settlement, reserving over 60% of the site as open space. Between the neighborhoods are wildlife corridors that allow natural migration patterns to continue through the property. These open space areas also link pedestrians to natural areas with over 2 miles of multi-use trails. The varying intensities of settlement for the neighborhoods and beyond are guided by a regulating plan that controls form to ensure that the specified urban, suburban, and rural areas are built appropriately. The neighborhood closest to Highway 17 is designed to be reminiscent of rural downtown areas with a subtle mixed-use main street and a community farmers market. Each neighborhood has a clear center and edge. Neighborhood centers are slightly more urban with civic spaces and public squares. The streets within the Nebo settlement are configured into a site-sensitive, connected web and designed to be comfortably walkable. Adjacent to Nebo's neighborhoods are a community garden, a site for a school, a recreation facility, and room for expanding Mount Nebo's church campus. Moving outwards from the primary settlement are multi-acre farm lots, conservation lots, and reserved and preserved natural areas. Based on precedent, architectural guidelines have been developed for the settlement to ensure lovable buildings that fit the character and scale of Allendale. The Nebo Settlement Master Plan respects the rural character of its surroundings while allowing responsible and sustainable growth, setting the bar for future development in the town of Allendale.